going to go kayaking from the Barley Mow bridge
on the Basingstoke Canal. What you can see here are dragon's teeth placed in World War II to stop the threat of a homeland land invasion.
I'm just going to do another one of Faden's thoughts. If you're wondering why I'm not doing or I don't have a life jacket on, that's because we've got one in the post and I can actually swim quite well. It's definitely a nice place. You should definitely come here to do some boating. Definitely come here if you have a boat. If you don't, you can always just walk along there. And we, as you know, we started off at the Barley Mow bridge, and now I better get back to rowing. So yeah, we just found the pillbox that we went to in one of our videos. I don't think you can really see that. No, you can see it, I think. Yeah, you can just see the top of it, really. Now the thing's getting in the way. Now, that I wanted to show you was this. Loads of lilies with lily pads. It kind of looks like algae kind of, but it's not algae.